Hey guys, Vicki Higgins here at Squirrel Drive, Grace Magnolias subdivision here in Spanish Fort. Having an open house today. Come on out. I will be here till probably 3 or 4 this afternoon, depending on how many people show up, and take a look at this gorgeous home. I just want to give you a sneak peek, but that doesn't mean you don't need to come out. Come see me. Okay, that's the view from the front door. That's the neighbors. A beautiful neighborhood. Updated lighting. The bedrooms are that direction in the laundry room and one full bath. And then you have a half bath over here. And then the primary suite is over here, excuse me, totally separated. And then you've got this very open floor plan with double tray ceilings. Dining area there, the kitchen. How pretty it looks like Easter in here. I'm going to have a drawing today as well. Got a couple of prizes that you could win. So come on out, take a look at this. I love the outside. Why? Because I'm an outside person. I love it. Let's take a look at the primary suite. And here. A soaking tub. Separate shower, a huge walk-in closet. And then, of course, granite countertops. Tracing here with updated lighting throughout the entire house. And then look at that. And then there's a closet here. There's another closet there in the hall, in the entryway. And then the bedrooms over here. Here is another full bath. This has the shower tub combo, and it doesn't have the private water closet, but this is the second bathroom. So here is the laundry room. It has a closet in there as well with shelving here. Here, the closet, pretty cute. Here is, closet has double doors there. And this is the fourth bedroom. Double doors on that closet as well. So come on out. The sellers are very motivated, and this house is ready for you to just come enjoy.